It's not a decision we were aware would happen. I think I would say that from the perspective of the DOJ, we're disappointed in that decision, but it's not our decision to make. It's a decision for the court to make.
The New Hampshire Attorney General not mincing words when talking about the move to no longer keep Supreme Court Justice Ana Barbara Hans-Marconi on leave following her no contest plea to accusations she misused her position trying to influence a criminal investigation into her husband, Gino Marconi. Now she's asking for her license to practice law to be reinstated.
I think it's extremely likely that she can meet that requirement. What they'll be looking at is what is the likelihood that she's going to repeat that conduct, that she's going to be some kind of an embarrassment in the future to the New Hampshire bar. And it's very unlikely that any of the conditions would be satisfied.
Legal expert Daniel Pai says people in positions of public trust are held to a higher standard than the average citizen.
If you're in a position of such high public trust, you have to be beyond reproach, and even the appearance of anything that is unseemly or corrupt, even if there's no actual corruption there, is deeply problematic.
So the justice will have to pay a $1,200 fine. Hans-Marconi will turn 70 in February, which requires her to retire from the bench because there's a mandatory retirement age. Steve?